You thought your grinder was only good for cutting and sanding? Think again. With just a few screws placed where the disc usually goes, it suddenly transforms into a completely new tool, a creative setup that can even make precise holes. Who would have imagined that something so simple could turn your regular grinder into a multi-function machine? It's quick, clever, and surprisingly effective. Sometimes, all it takes is a little imagination and a few screws to reinvent how you use your tools. Now that's what we call real hands-on innovation.